last question, it says that though it is the question is complete the following table, you are not going to have in front as a table. You are going to write down as a sum. So normally sum you have to write down data. In data you are going to write down what is given to you. Then you will have a required. In required you are going to write down what you are going to find out. And then we are going to have the solution. So these are the three parts. But children, in the exam we are not going to have marks for the data required. Please, that is for your understanding only. So let us have data. U is given as 2 meter per second. Then A is given as 4 meter per second square. And then T is equal to 3 seconds. And you are supposed to find out V. V is equal to how much? So in the required, we are going to find a question, put a question, V is equal to how much? Now we will think of, we are going to make a list of the equation. ये हमारा ना कहाँ पे last page पे लिखा होना चाहिए. When you will get the answer sheet or something, as before the question paper you will get the answer sheet na. So make a note of it. Okay, so we will decide from this which formula will be useful to us. We are knowing these three formulae. So children, remember one thing, there has to be only one unknown. Rest of the things should be known to us, then only we will be able to find out. Now children, here we have to find out V. V is not there in the second equation. So pakka second equation we will not be using. So either first or the third. Now here also there is no S. So V and S, two unknowns can't be there. So most probably first equation will be useful. U you know, A you know, T you know. So that this right hand side you know, you can find out left hand side which is V. So let us do that. So we have first always write down the formula. V is equal to U plus AT. Once you write the formula, then the next step is to substitute. This contains half marks. Okay, I am giving the bifurcation of marks as we are doing for the first time. Then, so don't write here half, it is for your information. Then write down the substitution part. So substitute 2 plus 4 into 3. Now here children, remember, if you will do plus यहाँ पे 2 plus 4 into 3, the answer will get changed. See, if you will do this 2 plus 4, it will be 6 into 3, that will be 18. And if you will do 4 into 3, that is 12 plus 2, the answer will be 14. So answer is differing. So which is the correct method? How did you come to know? The knowledge of maths.
4 and 3 in bracket.
Always remember you have to use the BODMAS rule. Moreover, it is 80 together. So you are going to do this part together. Okay. So you will be having 2 plus 4 3s are 12. And then, see, this is substitution part. Now this is the calculation and this is the step where you can say answer with unit. Now what will be the unit of velocity? Meter per second. So correct answer with the unit contains half marks. So in this manner you are going to solve all the sums. Okay, there is no need to write down these three equations, but that is for your reference. Somewhere you will keep a note of it so that you can decide. So what you are going to write down, this data, then required, and this solution. Complete it fast. Then accordingly children, now you write down the data for the second sum. So we will write down now for the second sum. So here U is unknown. So U is equal to question mark. Then they had given A. A is 5 meter per second square. Then they have T. T is 2 seconds. Then you have V. V is equal to 20 meter per second. Always whenever you write the data, see to it that you write down along with the unit. Okay, so if at all any conversion is required, suppose something is in centimeter, something is in meter, then we have to convert into same units. So there itself we will be able to do it. Now children, we have to find out U. U is there in all the three equations, right? Now, so possibilities, all the three is there. Now which is the equation which contains T? This third equation doesn't contain T, so that will not be useful. Now here दो रह गए, correct? Now they are given V here. Is V here? No, not here. So this will be applicable. So like that you are going to decide. So let us write down the solution. The first step is you are going to write down the formula. Then V is 20, U is question mark, so like be U, A is 5 and T is 2. So you have 20 is equal to U plus 5 2s are 10. So 20 minus 10 is equal to U. So 10 is equal to U. So therefore U is equal to 10 meter per second. So you are going to have the final answer as U is equal to 10 meter per second. So this is the systematic way of solving any sum. Write it down quickly.
Yes, teacher, done.
Now we'll move toward the next sum. Again children, try to write down the data of your own and see whether it is matching with mine or not. So you have here U is equal to 5 meter per second. Then you have A is equal to 12 meter per second square. Then you have T is equal to 3 seconds. And you are supposed to find out S. Now when there is a question of S, obviously first kinematic equation will not be there. So I have to do out of this because this contains S and this contains S. Now children, this is dependent on T and this is independent of T. We are having T. So obviously we are going to use this particular equation. So we have taken a decision that we are going to use S is equal to UT plus half AT square. This formula we are going to use. So first step is taking a decision and writing the formula which we will be using in the second step. Write down the things which is known to you. As we don't know, so we will put a question mark. U I have 5, T I have 3. So UT together, then plus. Now here we have half into A is 12 into 3 ka square. Now children, one thing you remember, if you have any exponential part, like for example we have here na 3 ka square. Okay, the 3 ka square is there. So you do square first. Don't do any cancellation first. Always there. Otherwise there are chance of making mistakes. So I'm requesting you not to do anything. Sab aise rahe do. Let it be. First you solve the exponential part. Okay. So now it is free from the exponential part. Now you do possible things. So 5 3s are 15 plus. Now here inside I can do the cancellation because all multiplication signs are there. So 9 6 are 54. So you have 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 1 6 and then meter because all the things are in meters. Correct? So answer is S is equal to 69 meter. So this is how you are going to complete the sum. Write it down. Now we'll go towards the next sum. In the next sum, you are given U, T and S. They are not given A. So A is question mark. Here you have U is equal to 7 meter per second. Then T is equal to 4 seconds. And S is equal to 92 meters. Now children, see, second equation contains time factor. Third equation doesn't contain time factor. So third equation will not be useful. We have to use second equation only. So we will be writing the second equation. S is equal to ut plus half at square. So we have written the equation. After that, now whatever known things are there, please substitute. So 92 is equal to 7 into 4. Please write it down in a bracket because it is one term ut. उसके बाद में प्लस है तो प्लस करो. अभी सेकेंड टाइम में ब्रैकेट में को हाफ. A you know, no means we don't know. T square, yes, we write down 4 का square. Please do not do any cancellation. First do the squaring. So 92 is equal to 7 for the as it is. I am writing, not doing anything. First let me solve the exponential part. So 4 ka square is 16. Now children, here you can do the cancellation because all in the multiplication na. So 2 8s are. यहाँ पे अगर कर दूँगा 2 2s are 4. तो 2 cancel 4 cancel 2 का square 4 answer आएगा. Otherwise the answer is 8. And that is the reason I am telling that you should go for squaring first, exponential part first. Otherwise there are chance that you will make mistake. So 92 is equal to 28 plus 8a. So 92 minus 28 is equal to 8a. So you have 64 upon 8 is equal to 8. So 8 is equal to 8. Answer, A is equal to 8 meter per second square. So please write it down. 8 meter per second square as it is acceleration. Now,
Miss, you written 8 8s are 46, no?
eight 8s are 64. Chalo. So now moving towards the next sum. You have given U is equal to 4 meter per second. So, correct. And then A is equal to 3 meter per second square. S you don't know. You have B is equal to 8 meter per second. Children, there meter per second the whole square is given because they had given V ka square. Otherwise V is meter per second only. So now let us have the decision क्या ले सकते हैं. S वाले दो फॉर्मूला ये और ये. Now children, here you observe. You are given V. यहाँ पे V है नहीं है, right? So even the t is not given to us. So we will cancel out that, we will fix out that we should use this only. So let us use this equation. So you have v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Correct? So let us substitute u square 4 square plus 2 लिख दिया. A is 3 and S we don't know. B is 8 square. As teacher told that you have to do the squaring part first, get rid of it. So we will do that. So we have here 8 square is 64, 4 square is 16 plus, children this is S, 6s. So 64 minus 16 is equal to 6s. So do the subtraction. 64 minus 16 is 48 upon 6 is equal to your S. So now 8 6 are 48. You got F is equal to
How
S.
65 then?
Answer S is equal to 8 meter. Okay. Children, whenever you are writing S, there has to be a difference between S and phi. There has to be a difference. Okay, some people like phi also like this and S also like this. So if this is the case, teacher won't be able to understand, then no marks will be given to you. So please see to it that there you make a difference between S and phi. Okay, completed. Then we'll move towards the last sum of question number 3. Please try to write down the data. So we have u is equal to question mark. We have a is equal to 5 meter per second square. Then you have S is equal to 8.4 meter. Then you have V is equal to 10 meter per second. So as you all know, it is not having time. First and the second equation contains time, so that won't be useful. We will be doing the third equation for use. So we will be using third equation. Correct? So let us write down the third equation. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. So you have here 10 square is equal to u square plus 2 into 5 into 8.4. Second step, you will be doing substitution. You will not do any calculation in the second step. You will be using third step to do the calculation. So let's do that. 10 square is 100 is equal to u square plus 5 2s are 10 and this is 8.4. No, so I can write out 84 upon 10. Correct? So this 10 and this 10 gone. So 100 is equal to u square plus 84. So 100 minus 84 is equal to u square. So 16 I think so it will be. Yes. 16 is equal to u square. So square root of 16 is equal to u. So 4 is equal to u. So answer u is equal to 4 meter per second.